Hey, what's happening? It's a great hike for a Monday. Here we go. Take a look. It's where we have been for most of the day up there. Coming all the way down, across and around. I'm gonna make a quick turn. Sorry. This is a big ass rock right here beside me. I'm heading down through here. And here I come down through this, between the trees here. What an amazing place, man. The sun got hidden by clouds above us here. Awesome. Made it where it's tolerable out here. It might have reached 80. And what a day, man. Loving it. Hiking, being out here in nature, seeing this stuff. Can't buy that. Yeah. It's amazing. Happy hiking.